Alright, ciao. So today we'll be doing a lesson on the future tense in Italian and what it's used for, how to use the different conjugations. So the future tense is used in Italian is something when you're trying to tell something in the future or what's going to happen in the future, what you're going to try to do. Except you haven't already done. It is used for a plan later in time. So, for example, if I want to say, I will watch TV with my family later, I would have to use the future tense because it's something that I'm going to do in the future. It's not something I'm doing right now. So you have to change the endings of the verbs in that sentence. So we'll get to that sentence later. I'll show you guys how to conjugate it. So how is the regular, reflexive, and irregular future created? So for verbs ending in RA or ere, you just have to change the A to an E. So the ending for io becomes ero. So io guardero, and then for two, it's tu erai, lui le era, noi eremo, voi erete, e loro erano. And then for io ero e lui le era, you have to make sure you add an apostrophe or an accent mark, more accent mark than apostrophe, to the ending of it. That's just an Italian rule. And then for ire, it's a little bit different than ra or ere. So all you have to do in the ire is chop off the I, or chop off the e in the ending. So it becomes io becomes iro, tu becomes irai, lui le ira, noi iramo, voi irete, e loro irano. So then there's three key things to remember when you're conjugating verbs in the future. So the first thing, like I told you have to add an accent mark to the ending whenever you're doing anything with io or lui le. Secondly, in any verb that ends with care or gare, you have to add the H. It's like a silent H, but you have to put it in the sentence into the new future form. So, for example, if I was going to say that I was going to be playing American football, like I said before, it would be io gioccherò football americano, and that would have the H in the gioccherò. And then the last rule to remember is that whenever you have a verb with chiare or gare, which has an I in it, you have to chop off the I and you just have to drop it from the verb. So some example sentences for future regular, regular future regolare. Io guarderò la televisione con la mia famiglia. That means I will watch television with my family. So you have to, with guardero, that's the verb that you're using. It's normally guardare or guardare. That's an RA verb. So you have to chop off the A and turn it into an E. Then just add the finish the ending. For future irregular, it becomes io andrò alla partita di baseball. Alla partita di baseball. That's I will go to the baseball game. And for future reflexive, it becomes io mi sveglierò alle 6:30 di mattina. So you have to make sure that you add the io mi part. You have to have, like, if it's tu, it's T. If it's lui le, it's C. Noi is chi. V for voi, and then C again. And then, so that means I'll wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Io mi sveglierò. You still have to conjugate the verb svegliare, and it becomes io mi sveglierò. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you.